There are 3 basic steps in creating a Google Meet breakout room. Step 1. Create separate meetings for each breakout room required. Step 2. Post the unique link to the Google Slide or Docs to share with students. Step 3. Create a Google Class to post the Google Slides or Docs to class. I created a Google Slide that has 4 spots for links for students to click on, as well as 4 labels for the links so that I can have them handy if I want to put them in another spot so that students can access them. First up, I'm going to go to Google Meet, meet.google.com, and select New Meeting. I'm going to select Create a Meeting for later. I'm going to copy the URL, go back to this page here, and I'm going to paste it next to Group 1. I'll repeat that process for Groups 2, 3, and 4. Notice the URL is just slightly different. I now have 4 unique links that I'm going to take and copy over here. So for Group 1, I will copy this URL here. I'm going to highlight the text here, right-click, select link, and paste the link and apply it. And I'll repeat that process for all of the other links. You can also highlight the text and select the link in the toolbar. Now, let's see if it works. I'll select Present. There you have it. Let's go ahead and check the others. So right now I have all 4 open. I'll select Join Now, Join Now, Join Now, and Join Now. Now if I want to be able to manage the students, I'm going to use a brand new app. This is actually my first time trying it. I'm pretty excited about it. I should say it's an extension. And this is a tab resize tool. And what it's going to do, it's going to take the tabs that I have open and arrange them so that I can look at them all at one time. Now you may want to close out anything else that you don't need when you're monitoring the students. Tell me that isn't cool. What you'll see is each one has its own unique ID, so you'll know that you've got your groups separated out the way that you'd like them to be. And as a teacher, you can manage your students from here. So if you have to, you'll be able to, you can add individual people if you need to. If they get a little lost or locked out. It's actually pretty cool. So this makes it simple or for teachers to have a workaround for creating breakout sessions to work with their kids. And again, this is the first time I've tried it, so I'm kind of excited that it worked. I did have to do a little bit of dragging from the main screen over here to the breakout areas, but this is manageable. I don't know that I would want any more than 4 different sessions on a screen at one time, but I'm thrilled that I'm able to monitor and see it all at once. Now, the last thing that you're going to want to do is you want to make sure that you close out each one of these individual sessions. And so in order to make sure that they're done, you will leave the call. You can end the call or you can leave it, but you want to make sure that you end it completely. There you go. You do that for each one of the screens. And so you ended it for everyone. So again, you'll want to make sure that you have everything set up ahead of time. And then from there, your students will be able to click onto the link. You will be the one that will need to make sure that everything is started. And you'll want to keep the screens up so that you can monitor all student behavior. And again, at the very end, you will want to make sure that you end the call for everyone. Enjoy!